A magical book. As we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but lived by them. In this book, there are 28 magical practices that have been specifically designed so that you learn how to use gratitude's magical power to revolutionize your health, money, job, and relationship, and to make your smallest desires and your biggest dreams come true. You will also learn how to participate gratitude to dissolve problems and transform any negative situation. You will be captivated while you read this life-changing knowledge, but without practicing what you learn, the knowledge will slip through your fingers, and the opportunities that you are attracted to easily change your life will be gone. To ensure this doesn't happen to you, you need to practice gratitude over 28 days so that you impregnate your cells and your subconscious mind with it. Only then will it change your life permanently. The practices are designed to be completed over 28 consecutive days. This allows you to make gratitude a habit and a new way of life. Practicing gratitude in a concentrated effort over consecutive days guarantees that you will see the magic take place in your life and fast. Within each magical practice is a wealth of secret teachings that will expand your knowledge in tremendous way. In which practice you will understand more and more about how life works and how easy it is to have a life you have dreamed of. The first 12 practices use the magical power of gratitude for what you have now and for what you have received in the past. Because unless you are grateful for what you have and what you have received, the magic won't work and won't receive more. These first 12 practices will set the magic of gratitude into motions immediately. The next 10 practices use the magical power of gratitude for your desires, dreams, and everything you want. Through this 10 practice, you will be able to make your dreams come true and you will see the circumstances of your life magically change. The last 6 practices take you to the whole new level, where you will be centering gratitude into every cell of your body and mind. You will learn how to use gratitude's magical power to help others people, dissolve problems, and improve any negative situation or circumstances you may encounter throughout your life. You don't need to clear your calendar because each of the practices has been specifically created to fit into your everyday life. Whether it's a work day, weekends, holidays, or vacation, gratitude is portable. You take it with you wherever you go, and then wherever you go, the magic happens. If you miss a day, you will most likely lose the momentum of what you have done. To ensure that you don't reduce the magic, if you miss a day, count back 3 days and repeat the practice again from there. Some practices are designed for the morning and others are designed to do throughout the day. So read each day's practice first thing in the morning. Some practices will be need to read the night before because they begin when you wake. And I will tell you when to do this. You might want to read the next day's practice every night before you go to sleep in order to be prepared. If you do, make sure to reread the practice again in the morning. If you don't want to follow the 28 magical practices constructively, you can also use them in other way. You could choose one magical practice that address an important subject in your life that you want to change or improve. And you could do the practice 3 days in a row or every day for a week. Or you could do one magical practice a week or 2 practice a week. The only difference being that it will take you longer to see the changes in your life. After the 28 days, once you have completed the 28 magical practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where or when you have to specific need, such as for health or money, or if you want to receive your dream job, have increased success in your work, or improve a relationship. Or to continue the practice of gratitude, you can open this book at random and whichever practice you open to is the one you attracted. So is the perfect day to do that day. At the end of the 28 magical practices, there are also recommendations of practice you can use in combination, which will accelerate the magic in specific area of your life. Can you overdo gratitude? Never. Can your life become too magical? Hardly. Use the practices over and over so that the gratitude seeps into your consciousness and becomes second nature to you. After 28 days, you will have rewired your brain and implanted gratitude in your subconscious mind, where it is automatically the first thing that comes to your mind in any situation. The magic you experience will be your inspiration, because as you incorporate gratitude into your days, they will nothing short of spectacular. What are your dreams? Many of the magical practices are designed to help achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. Sit down with a computer or pen and paper and make a list of what you really want in every area of your life. Think through every details of what you want to be, do or have in your life, in your relationships, career, finance, health and every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and detailed as you like, but remember, your job is simply to list what you want, not how you are going to get what you want. The how will be done for you when gratitude works its magic. If you want a better job or your dream job, then think about everything you want the job to be. Think about the things that are important to you, such as the type of the work you want to do, how you want to feel in your job, the type of the company you want to work for, and the kind of people you want to work with, the hours you want to work, where you want your job to be, and the salary you want to receive. Get every clear about what you want in that job by thinking it through thoroughly and writing all the details down. If you want money to educate your children, work out the details of their education, including which school you want your children to attend, the cost of the school fees, books, food, clothing and transportation, so that you know exactly how much money you need. If you want to travel, then write down the details of the countries you want to visit, how long you want to travel for, what you want to see or do, where you want to stay, and the means by which you want to travel. If you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of the characteristics you want that person to have. If you want improved relationships, write down the relationship you want to improve and what you want them to be like. If you want more health or an improved bodily condition, be specific about what ways you want to improve your health or body. If you want a dream home, then list every detail of what you want the home to be, room by room. If there are specific material things you want, like a car, clothes or appliances, write them down. If you want to achieve something such as passing an exam, getting a degree, a goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, actor, scientist or business person, or whatever it is you would like to achieve, write it down and be as specific as possible. I would strongly urge you to find the time to maintain a list of your dreams throughout your life. Write down the little things, the big things, or what you want this moment, this month, or this year. As you think of more things, add them to the list. And as you receive things, cross them off the list. An easy way to do a list of what you want is to divide it into category of health and body, career and work, money, relationships, personal desire, material things, and then just add the things you want to each category. When you get clear about the things you want, you are giving a defined direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. And you are ready to begin the most exciting and thrilling adventure you have ever been on.